Hi, my name is Victoria, and today I'm going to show you how to buy frames in the wholesale shopping cart in Workspace. So once you've logged in, click Buy in the main navigation and then Frames. On this page you can choose the size and orientation of your frame and also the product finish option. Depending on the size of the frame that you choose, different options will be available. We recommend you have a look at our products page to see what options are available to you. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to select a simple matted option. The images on the left here show you the different options that you could select from the drop-down list. On this page you can select the image you would like to appear in your frame. You can select from existing events or click Upload Now and upload a new file. I'm going to use an existing event and then choose a collection. Once you've found the image you'd like to put in the frame, click and drag and drop it into the frame. On the right hand side here you can select a template with a different aperture size to suit the look that you like. You could also select a template with multiple apertures and add 2 or more images in a single frame. To change one of the images you've selected, you can simply drag and drop another image over the top. You can also zoom and reposition the images with the sliding bars that appear when you hover over each image. On this page you can also select the matte color, and a preview will show you what your selection will look like. You can also change the frame color and the paper type. For more information on paper types, please look at our products page. Once you're happy with your frame, click View Cart. Here you can see a summary of your order details, and from here you could go back to customize your frame or click Next to enter your details. You could also empty your cart and start again, or go back to your event images. On the right hand side here is an order summary with the number of items, subtotal, tax and grand total. Normally here you would see the price, tax and total. You'll need to log into your Workspace account to view pricing. Once you're happy with your order, click Next to enter your details. On this page, enter the details of where you'd like your order to be sent. You can send it to your studio or send directly to your client if they are also in your region. Here you can enter any special instructions and also choose your shipping options. If you had a coupon code, you could enter it here, and above this, the order summary total appears here. Once you've done that, you can finalize your order on the next page by clicking Continue to Checkout with your PayPal account or your credit card. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, send us an email at techsupport@queensberry.com.